How to get last-minute cheap flights. Looking for last-minute cheap flights? We've got you covered with some savvy tips to snag the best deals. Flexibility is key. Be open to adjusting your travel dates and times. Flying on weekdays, early mornings, or late evenings often means lower prices. Don't forget to set price alerts. Get notified when prices drop for your preferred route, ensuring you're in the loop for last-minute bargains. Check airline websites directly. Sometimes, exclusive last-minute deals are available on their platforms. It pays to explore all your options. Consider budget airlines for cost-effective choices. They may have fewer frills, but can offer significant savings, especially for spontaneous travel. So there you have it, your guide to securing last-minute affordable flights. Whether it's a spontaneous getaway or a business trip, use these tips to fly without breaking the bank. Happy travels! This is how to get last-minute cheap flights.